My name is Luca Albertario. I come from Italy, Milan, and my current position is Technical Regional Manager for MAPEI in the building line. I joined MAPEI in 2011, and since then I'm working in the structural strengthening line for several years, and starting from 2014. I'm here today to present our brand new software whose name is MAPEI Structural Design. This software is very special and is news in the market because, first of all, it's free and you can use it online. So it's not necessary to download and install that software in your laptop, but you can use it everywhere you want. So in your office or otherwise in the job site. You can edit the calculation on site, and it's something that makes the difference for sure because is elasticity. You can modify and edit your calculation during a job site visit. In this software are implemented a lot of current standard, actually the main ones like the ACI 440, the CSA standard, the Italian one, the European one. For us, this software makes the difference because it uses an international approach in order to assist all our MAPEI subsidiaries. It's not only an Italian tool, it's a worldwide tool. A lot of international standards have been implemented. The user doesn't need to disinstall and install the software because the updates are automatic. Another big difference between MAPEI Structural Design and other similar software is that this tool is able to provide a report after the calculation, which could help a lot the designer in order to complete their documentation and moreover to avoid a sort of black box approach because all the calculation procedures are pretty clear during inside the reports. MAPEI decided to partner with EU Center in order to develop this tool, in order to design the strengthening system for existing members like concrete, timber, masonry elements. It is an online tool that can be used by using a laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. Because EU Center represents a very important partner beside a scientific point of view, we decided to involve them because their high level of knowledge and their very international approach. This tool is an evolution of the previous software that MAPEI provides to our customer. The designer can save their own project in their own library, and they can, in a second phase, edit the calculation, modify, and delete their calculation, saved in cloud. In conclusion, enjoy on using our MAPEI Structural Design software.